Hi everyone, this is Stacy and I just wanted to show you how I'm doing on my raised bed garden. Of course, I've only got 2 beds completed. I've been charring the wood and then sealing it with an organic sealer. I do have the first bed almost filled. It's got a mixture of compost and topsoil and peat moss and perlite. So I'm still not done with that one. I just am taking a break from it right now because it's getting pretty hot here. And I did want to show you guys something that I think is really important. Now, when I first thought of filling the beds, I thought about these 2 bales of straw. So I was going to just line the bottoms. And then I came across some information after I purchased these that said that, that you should be aware that straw bales, if they're not organic, they may have something called Grazon on them, which is just an herbicide, naturally, because they're just trying to grow wheat from these. So I went ahead and I found how you can test for that. You basically are going to soak a little bit of straw in some water for about 24 to 48 hours. And then you're going to try and grow some sprouts. So I have some beans here, just regular household beans. I think these were mung beans actually. So the one on the left was treated with, or was soaked with a little bit of the water from the straw. And the one on the right was just my regular tap water. So I don't know if you can tell, but the one on the right has a lot more leaves and they look a little perkier. The ones on the left have definitely stunted growth. So I just wanted to share that information. Do not use straw bales in your garden unless you know for sure that they are organic. And I am going to be looking for another filler. I did do some reading and found out that as long as wood chips are not treated, and as long as they don't have any other chemicals added to them, those are a good option. So I found some that were kiln dried and it looks like they might be the best option for this second bed. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye.